Do you want your users to easily swap between widgets in your app? IndexedStack can do the trick. Essentially, IndexedStack is like a TV switching between channels. It shows only one of its children at a time, but preserves the state of all the children. To use IndexedStack, simply wrap the list of widgets you want to switch between in an IndexedStack widget. Then, add an index parameter with a variable that can be changed with something like setState. And that's all there is to it. Now you can switch between widgets with ease. IndexedStack also has the standard stack parameters that allow you to set alignment and sizing of all the items. For more info on IndexedStack and all the other Flutter widgets, check out flutter.dev.